Good morning to everyone. Today, explain about cable profile. Tendon profile and equivalent loads in precise concrete beams. Means cable profile, cable or tendon. Cable anna tendon anna ఒకటే. You know the what is the meaning for tendon? For tensile forces are developed in precise concrete. Reinforced concrete లో మనం రెయిన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ బార్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం. వాటిని రెయిన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ బార్స్ అని మనం పిలుస్తాం. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ప్రీసెసర్ కాంక్రీట్ మెంబర్స్ లో వాటిని టెండాన్స్ అని, కేబుల్స్ అని, వైర్స్ అని ఇలా మనం పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే కాంక్రీట్ కి రెయిన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ కి రిలేషన్ అనేది కంపల్సరీగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే కాంక్రీట్ వచ్చేసరికి కంప్రెషన్ లో స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటుంది, రెయిన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ వచ్చేసరికి టెన్జైల్ లో స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు సైమల్టేనియస్ వర్క్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే resist the load, to resist the load particular element or any type of structure. For cable profile, straight tendon will be taken. Reaction of the cable. See the diagram. This is the cable profile. This is the tendon. This is the reaction. And bent tendon, this type of bending. Forward force or horizontal force opposite direction. This is the curved tendon. In internally, this type of positions are there in concrete beams, pieces of concrete beams or pieces of concrete gutters. This is the profile for tendons or cables. Stresses in tendon. See, this is the pre-stretching force applying. This is the tendon, the centroidal distance, some eccentricity, effect of pre-stretching force on rotation of concrete beam. Another one is the effect of transfer loads on reaction of concrete beam. Hogging, sagging. These two conditions for applying pre-stretching force. Hogging and sagging. Theta p equal to, see the theta p value, area of bending moment diagram divided by flexural rigidity. Flexural rigidity means capital E into I. That means x modulus and the moment of inertia. Theta 1 equal to area of bending moment of flexural rigidity. That means finally got the value. This is the for sigma, sorry, theta 1, theta p, theta 1, theta p, E into theta, E, this is the E into theta, theta 1 greater than theta p, theta equal to theta 1 plus theta 1 minus theta p. Finally, total equation for 2 into E theta, strain equal to 2 E theta by L, stress equal to ES into 2E theta by L. This is the formula for affecting for hogging and sagging. Calculate the stress and strain for pre-stressor concrete members. These formulas are used and are taken into cracking movement. This is the very, very important thing for pre-stressor concrete, the cracking movement. See, Last class will explain stresses in tendons use a center line of beam and the center line of beam. This is the center line of beam. This is center line of beam. This is also center line of beam. Theta p value and theta 1 value. Hogging is got theta p value. Sagging is got theta 1 value. Though those are equaling from two equations to got the values. This is the deformation, deformed beam under loads. This is the deformation. This is the deformation under loading. Loading acting upon deformation. This is the longitudinal axis or rotation of beam. This is the cable is a cable. Curved shape will be occur. Finally, to derive the total elongation of the cable to E theta, that means total again steering cable to E theta by L. Total elongation of the cable 2 into theta, strain equal to 2E theta by L. Increase the stresses due to loading. That means ES into ES, that means E suffix ES into TE theta by L. That is the increasing stress due to loading. లోడ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు స్ట్రెస్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. దానికి ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే ఈ సఫిక్స్ ఎస్ అనమాట. ఈఎస్ కాదు, ఈ సఫిక్స్ ఎస్ ఇంటూ ఈ theta by L. This is the stress strain formula for acting on the load pre-stressed concrete member. Generally, in elastic range, any increase of loading on a pre-stressed member does not result in any significant change in the steel stress. In other words, the stress in steel is more or less constant in the elastic range of a pre-stressed member. This important observation is illustrated by the following examples. See, generally in the elastic range, an increase of loading on a pre-stressed member does not result in any significant change in the steel stress. Mainly loading increasing gradually, a result of a change in the steel stress. In other words, the stress in steel more or less constant in the elastic range of a pre-stressed member. This is the three conditions for reinforced nothing but tendons or cables: increasing stress or decreasing stress or constant in pre-stressed concrete members. This is the stresses in tendons. I will discuss. First, we will discuss cable profile, how to internally form the cable. This bent tendon, curved tendon. See the diagrams also. This type of reaction of the cable, reaction of the tendon. This is the straight tendon. This is straight reaction. This is the bent tendon. This is the reaction of the bent tendon. And the curved tendon. This is the reaction of curved tendon. These are three types of cable profiles in pre-stressed concrete beams. Effect of loading on the tensile stresses in tendons. You know the values for theta 1 value, theta p value. Those are things equating the formula to calculate the total elongation of the cable. Total elongation of the cable to E theta and strain in cable. We'll discuss about only cable information. Cable in కేబుల్ మీద యాక్ట్ అయ్యే స్ట్రెస్సెస్ అంటే స్ట్రెస్ కావచ్చు, స్ట్రెయిన్ కావచ్చు. దానికి ఫార్ములా డిరైవ్ చేసాం. అదేంటంటే డేటా స్ట్రెయిన్ అంటే ఎంత స్ట్రెయిన్ అంటే టీఈ డేటా బై ఎల్. ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్ స్ట్రెస్ డ్యూ టు లోడింగ్, స్ట్రెస్ వచ్చేసరికి ఈ సఫిక్స్ ఎస్ into 2E theta by L. These two formulas are used for calculating strain and stress for hogging and sagging applied acting on the loading on the beam. Next, cracking moment. The bending moment at which visible cracks develop in precious concrete members is generally referred to as the cracking moment. After the transfer of pieces of to concrete, the soffit of the beam will be under compression gradually. These compressive stresses are balanced by the tensile stresses developed due to the transfer loads on the beam, so that the resultant stresses at the bottom fiber is zero. A further increase in loading result in the development of tensile stresses at the soffit of the beam. As concrete is weak in tension, micro cracks develop as shown as the tensile strain in concrete exceeds about 80 minus 100 to the power minus 6 units. And if loads are further increased, visible cracks appear in the tension zone. At the stage, it is estimated that the crack width are, are of the order of 0.01 0.012 0.0202 mm per foil. See, cracking movement, the cracking movement or bending movement at which the visible cracks are developed in a pre-existing concrete member is called cracking movement. Visible cracks width 0.01 mm to 0.02 mm. Stresses increase of the transfer load stresses result in tensile stresses and at a soffit of the beam to an amount of 80 to 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 units. It is the main concept for cracking movement in the superficial concrete members. Already last class I will tell you free from cracks for pieces of concrete. Actually, the cracks అనేవి దీంట్లో ఫామ్ అవ్వు in case some uh, creative some external stresses or external loads acting on the uh, member or acting on the element to impact the soffit or applying force, increasing the stresses to develop the crack of moment. Some moment is there. The cracks will form 0.01 mm to 0.02 mm. These cracks are not considered in precious concrete structures. These are the normal minor cracks, not a major cracks. These are the minor cracks, not taken into seriously. These cracks. These are the main things for precious concrete members to study for cable profile and stresses in tendon. Tendon is nothing but reinforcement. Tendons is nothing but reinforcement. And a small explanation of crack movement. Got the how to get bending moment at which the visible cracks are developed in a pieces in concrete members. Bending moment, also reinforced concrete also to calculate the bending moment depending upon bending moment taken into seriously for life of structure or bearing capacity of the element to take in account. See, this type of conditions are follows for precious concrete members. The soffit is nothing but tendons placed in soffit. I will explain. I will see. I will see the uh, soffit diagram. I will see and you explain again. Where is soffit? Where is tendon placed? And where is the reinforcement bars placed? And what is precious concrete bed? I will explain clearly. I will visible to you with the diagram. Go to next problems. These things for cable profile and stresses in tendons to calculate the strain stress Now substitute the formulas, and the cracking moment also conditions are taken into account. See the first problem. I will explain this problem. See, the cross section of a pre-stressed concrete beam used over a span of 6 meters and see is 100 mm wide and 300 mm deep. The initial stress in tendon located at a constant eccentricity of 50 mm is 1000 Newton per mm square. The sectional area of tendon is 100 mm square. Find the percentage increase in stress in the wires when the beam supports a live load of 4 kilonewton per meter. The density of concrete is 24 kilonewton per meter cube. The Young's modulus of concrete is equal to 336 kilonewton per mm square. The Young's modulus of steel is equal to 210 kilonewton per mm square. This is the problem for calculating the stresses for stresses in tendons. Write the given data first. The cross section of a beam pre-stressed concrete beam used over a span of 6 meters. Given the span length, see the diagram for this diagram. Span length 6 meters. This is the pre-stressed concrete beam. Dimensions are there for width of beam 100 mm and depth of beam 300 mm. See the diagram. And 100 mm 6 meters length and acting 4 kilonewton per meter square for live load, given to live load, and area also is given for tendon eccentricity. Tendons stress into voids when the beam supports the live load. Given the live load 4 kilonewton per meters, beam యొక్క డెప్త్ ఇచ్చాడు, బీమ్ యొక్క విడ్త్ ఇచ్చాడు, అండ్ క్లియర్ స్పాన్ అంటే లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పాన్ బీమ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది బీమ్ ఇచ్చాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఏరియా ఆల్సో గివెన్ 100 mm square. Tendon is 100 mm square. Constant eccentricity is 50 mm, is 1000 Newton per mm square. Precessing force also given. Stress equal to 1000 Newton per mm square. Live load 14 kN per cross section area 100 into 300. That means see the stress value. Stress is given. See, two initial stresses in tendon located at a constant center 50 mm is 1000 Newton per mm square. Given stress value ఇచ్చారు and eccentricity ఈ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు. టెండాన్ కి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ బీమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ని ఏమంటామంటే ఎసెంట్రిసిటీ అంటాం. సమ్ ఎసెంట్రిసిటీ capital E small e equal to 50 mm also given in the problem, and the stress is given 1000 Newton per mm square. You know the formula stress equal to load by area for P by A. P equal to load, A equal to area. You know the area to calculate the load. Stress into area. You know the cross sectional area. Steel ఎంత ఇచ్చారంటే 100 Newton per mm square ఇచ్చారు. Okay, this 1000 into 100. P equal to 100 kilonewtons. I equal to BD cube by 12. That is the rectangular section for BD cube by 12. This is the moment of inertia. I equal to BD cube by 12. Not only got the value 225 into 10 power 6 mm power 4, and the theta P P L by 2 EI ECI. That is the formula EC also given in the problem. EC equal to, this is the modulus of concrete, Young's modulus of concrete and Young's modulus of steel. those values are given. Young's modulus of concrete EC and moment of inertia, P value is eccentricity also is length of the columns placement also to substitute this formula, theta P value 0.0018 radians and theta 1 formula WL cube by 24 EI, theta 1 equal to 24 WL cube by 24 EI. The W value, that means dead load. Calculate the W value 300 into 100 into 24 into 10 cube. That means unit weight of concrete into dimensions. Calculate the dead load. So finally, you got the value 0.72 kilonewton per meter. 0.72 kilonewton per meter. Got the value and calculate the live load plus live load plus dead load, that is equal to W. W is nothing but live load plus dead load. First we calculate the dead load, self weight area into unit weight of concrete, that is the formula for self weight. That means self weight or dead load. We calculate him. Finally 0.4872 kilonewton meter. The value live load 4 plus totally adding and L cube, the L value 6 meters, convert the mm 6000 mm divided by 24 into ES by EC, but that means EC means Young's modulus of our concrete 36 into 225 into 10 to the power of 6. Finally got the theta 1 value 0.0052 radians. Applying this condition theta 1 greater than theta p to satisfy the condition theta equal to theta 1 minus theta p. Finally got the value theta equal to 0.0034 radians. Stresses in tendon. E suffix S into P theta by L. The formula ES value 2 into 10 to the power of 5, that is 210 into and 2 into 50 and theta value 0.0034 divided by L value 6 meters, got the 6000, 6 into 10 cube, got the stress value 11.9 Newton per mm square, approximately 12 Newton per mm square. You understand this problem? I will explain again. The percentage increase in stresses equal to 12 by 1000 into 100, 1.2 percentage for increasing the percentage for increasing stress. I will explain again this model of the problem to calculate the stresses and the strain for tendons. See write the given data. Cross sectional area equal to 100 into 1000, 100 into 300. That is the area of the rectangular cross section. UDL 4 kg per meter. Stress equal to 1000 Newton per mm square. P by A equal to stress equal to P by A. That means stress formula. Load by area. The stress, the area. And to calculate the P value, given the data, see 100 Newton per 100 mm square area. 100 mm square area for tendons. Given the value for tendons, applying load P value to calculate stress into area equal to 100 and stress equal to 1000 Newton per mm square. You got the value, load value, P value. This is the pre-stressing force. P is known as pre-stressing force. P equal to 100 kilonewtons and calculate the moment of inertia Vd cube by 12. That equal to the B value and the D value. Substitute this 225 into 10 to the power of 6 mm power 4 and theta P value P by L by 2 EC, E suffix capital E suffix C into I. You know the P value 100 kilonewtons, convert the newtons 100 into 10 cube into eccentricity 50 into L value 6 into 10 cube and 2 into EC. That means EC concrete X modulus of concrete 36 into 10 cube into 225 into 10 power of 6. So converts the newtons mm to convert the units. Got the value theta p value 0.0018 radians. You got the theta p value. See the stresses in tendon. This is the theta p value for hogging and theta 1 value sagging. These two conditions taken into account. Theta 1 value formula WL cube by 24 EI. W, the calculate the dead load plus live load. The live load 4 kilonewton per meter. And to calculate the values for these problems, first we calculate the live load. First we calculate the dead load. Unit weight of concrete. The dimensions for concrete beam. Length into breadth into width into depth into unit weight of concrete. That is the dead load of the concrete. Okay, next adding the live load. Two loads adding for W. The L value 24 into EC. That means Young's modulus for concrete. I means moment of inertia already calculated. Substitute to this value, this formula got the value. Finally, theta 1 equal to 0.0052 radians. So the condition theta 1 greater than theta v, that equal to 0.0052 minus 0.0018. Finally, theta value 0.0034 radians. You got the theta value to calculate the stresses in tendon. Theta value to find first, to find the theta value and substitute stresses in tendon capital E suffix S into 2E theta by L. This is the formula for tendons in stress. The substitute these values got the stresses in tendon 11.9 Newton per mm square, approximately 12 Newton per mm square. The percentage increase in stresses, that equal to the value for stresses in 12 divided by 1000 into 100, that is the 1.2% for increasing the stresses in tendons. This is the problem for calculating this type of model. Next one, cracking moment. Second problem I will explain. Cracking moment. A rectangular concrete beam of cross section 120 mm by 300 mm is braced by a straight cable carrying by an effective force of 120 kilonewtons at an eccentricity of 50 mm. The beam suppose an imposed load of 3.14 kilonewton per meter over a span of 6 meters. The modulus of rupture of concrete is 5 Newton per mm square. Evaluate the load factor against the cracking. Assuming the density of concrete is 24 kilonewton per meter cube. That means cracking movement calculate cracking movement మీద ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం మనం ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? Okay, I will explain. Rectangular concrete beam dimensions ఇచ్చాడు. Write the given data. Any type of problem to calculate first write given data. Cross sectional area 120 into 300 mm. Force P equal to 120 kilonewton. Eccentricity 50 mm. Live load 3.14 kilonewton per meter. Length L equal to 6 meters. Modulus of rupture of concrete 5 Newton per mm square. Density of concrete 24 kilonewton per meter cube. Density of concrete is nothing but density of concrete is nothing but unit weight of concrete. The area 36 into 10 cube mm square. Z value BD square by 6, that is section modulus BD square by 6 for rectangular section. Section modulus Z equal to BD square by 6, 120 by 120 into 300 whole square by 6, that equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of 6 mm cube. Stresses at top and bottom. From top fiber and bottom fiber, P by A minus P by Z plus M by Z. Already you know the calculated this problem. For bottom, P by A plus P by Z minus M by Z. Tensile stresses at bottom fiber increased to 5 Newton per mm square. Tensile stress, that is Z into 5. We got the value 9 into 10 power of 6 Newton per mm, 9 kilonewton meter. Converts the kilometer. Tracking moment initial plus add additional moment. Initial plus additional moment. Initial got the 18 plus additional moment 9. Totally 27 cracking moment. Load factor, that equal to cracking moment divided by working moment. You know the cracking moment 27 and working moment 18. Got the 1.5. Load this load factor. This is the load factor 1.5. See the problem to calculating what is the modulus of rupture of concrete. Evaluate the load factor. Evaluate the load factor. Load factor calculating this procedure. You know the value first. Section modulus, that is the 18 meter cube, converts the meter cube 18 meter cube section modulus and area. You know the area. Modulus of rupture of the concrete, that means EC, that is 5 Newton per mm square. Density of concrete, you know, 24 Newton per meter cube. Finally, in tensile stresses at bottom fiber increasing the bottom fiber increasing to 5 Newton per mm square tensile stress, that equal to section modulus into tensile stress 5 Newton per mm square. Got the value total 9 kilonewton meter. Cracking moment is that equal to formula initial plus additional moment. Initial, you know the section modulus 18 plus 9, got the value 27. Load factor cracking moment divided by working moment, that equal to 27 by 18, that is 1.5. Load balancing concept. Load balancing concept. This is the very important problems. Load balancing, very important. Balancing the load in precious concrete beams, mainly important this modeling problems. Two conditions are there. How to calculate the problem, to get the value, number of problems are given. Today explain the problem for a cracking moment and cable profile of next stresses in tendons. Give the simple examples, simple problems I will explain. I will practice a number of problems given to you. Any doubt, call me or information me. I will explain clearly for the any type of problem. This is for example model for calculating the problem. Type of problems, stresses in tendons. This type of problems are calculating and cracking moment. How to calculate the values for load factor moment and load concept of load balancing. That is a very important important model for load balancing. Load balancing. This is a problem. I will explain clearly this problem. This is a small thing for calculating stresses for precessor concrete beam, bending stresses calculations, and pressure line passes through the upper at the section. stresses at the bottom fiber, stresses at the top fiber. We calculated this model for load balancing conditions. Calculate the areas and calculate the section modulus and self weight. Calculate the self weight and movement of self due to self weight, stress due to self weight, stresses due to pre-stressing, and we calculate the concentrated load at the center of this span, moment at the center of this span, bending stress. To calculate these values for load balancing concept, very important problems, load balancing concept. I will explain clearly load balancing concept for next class. Cable today explain cable profile and reaction to tendon, how to reaction, got the reaction. This is the profile. First profile is a straight tendon. This is the reaction and bend tendon. Another reaction. This is the vertical reaction and horizontal reactions. Curved tendon got the this vertical reactions. This reaction is coming for cable profile. This is the cable profile. Precious concrete beam slope. For cable యొక్క profile, these three types. There are three types. One is straight tendon, another one is bent tendon, another curved tendon. Tendon or cable, tendon అన్న cable అన్న ఒకటే. Not confuse అవ్వద్దు. Stresses in tendon. దాంట్లో వచ్చేసి స్ట్రెసెస్ డెవలప్ అవుతాయి టెండాన్స్ లో. టెండాన్స్ అంటే రెయిన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ స్టీల్ బార్స్ లో ఎట్లాంటి స్ట్రెసెస్ డెవలప్ అవుతాయి. దాని నుంచి టేటా పి వాల్యూ, టేటా వన్ వాల్యూ డెరివేషన్ చేసాం. దాంట్లో స్ట్రెస్ కనుక్కున్నాం. తర్వాత క్రాకింగ్ మూవ్మెంట్ అనేది డ్యూ టు బెండింగ్ మూవ్మెంట్ ద్వారా మనకి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే రెయిన్ఫోర్స్ కాంక్రీట్ లో కూడా మన మూవ్మెంట్ షియర్ ఫోర్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని మూవ్మెంట్ క్రాకింగ్ అనేది ఎట్లా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, బేరింగ్ కెపాసిటీ ఎంత వరకు ఉంటుందని మనం ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేస్తాం. సేమ్ థింగ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా క్రాక్స్ మూవ్మెంట్ లో వచ్చేసరికి మనకి 0.01 mm టు 0.02 mm. That is the minor cracks not considered seriously. And stresses increase of transfer loads. Stresses results in tangent stresses and at soffit of beam is to an amount of 80 to 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 units. That is the value for tangent stresses for soffit to guard the value. Already explained this model problem for stresses calculated in tendons. This type of problems to practice number of problems, simple formulas to calculate the values. Next class I will explain for concept of load balancing. Load balancing very important. How to balancing the load conditions in the pre-stressed concrete members. The number of problems are there. I will explain that complete that topic next class. Thank you. Thank you this opportunity.